Hey, what's going on, guys? So I got a little different scenery here. I'm downstairs. I just wanted to have some more space to work with. My office is nice, but it's kind of small. So this, I just feel like I can get a better setup, better lighting. It just feels more comfortable for me. So that's why we're here. But what we're doing today is a custom. I picked up these Jordan 1, high Jordan 1s off of eBay. I got them for about $69. I've seen a lot of customization restorations and they never mention how much they actually spend on the shoe. They just say they got a great deal. So I thought that it was a really good deal. 69 bucks. It's in good condition. So what I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna go ahead and turn these into the Jordan 1, the band Jordan 1s. What I'm gonna do now is go ahead and prep this shoe here. So let's go ahead and get some acetone and cotton balls and prep this shoe. All right, so we went ahead and removed the finish off of the shoe with some acetone. It also cleaned up any debris. I'm gonna just go ahead and spray it real quick with some air, just because the cotton ball is leaving some like residue on it that I don't like. And I don't want that getting into my paint. All right, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go ahead and prep the areas with tape. I don't want to, I guess it really doesn't matter if I get the red onto the black areas because I'm gonna paint over the black again as well. But I just wanna do it right, you know what I mean? So let's go ahead and just do a basic tape job down here so we don't get any paint on the white, on the sole. My wife put her candy in my shoe. I found your little present inside my shoe. So I prepped the first side for the most part. I'm gonna go ahead and I think apply a really light coat of white, or I may try to make a pink. So I'm gonna be using the Fire Red acrylic paint. Oh crap! I didn't know it had that thing. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Dude, 1 ounce. They have like a little brush on the inside. All right, that's good to know now, I guess. I'm gonna put a drop in there, too well, like a little salmon. All right, so picture right there, let's start. So what I'm doing is I'm going lighter on the edges, less paint, so it doesn't bleed through onto the white. All right, so I went ahead and laid down the first coat on this shoe right here. All right, so now we're gonna apply the red. Let's get right to it. All right, so that's one coat. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a few more coats and then we'll be done with the red. So stay tuned. Here we go. I looked online, heard about the toothpick method. So that's what I'm gonna try. red is done. Looks great. Now I'm gonna apply the black. I've already started here. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. Fresh coat. And then we'll do the sole of the shoe. All right, let's do this.